All right, I think we are rolling. Let me double check a few things and then we'll get going. Let's make sure connection looks good. Testing, testing. I think it's working. Oh, what's up, Noble Duck? How you doing? Hope you're having a good day. What's going on? We are back to it. We got some cool stuff happening though. Alright, let's see what we got. I gotta remember where certain buttons are. Oh, that's how it does it. Okay. Trying to figure out how to add those things. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, let's go ahead. I don't remember what we were doing last time. Let's see if this works. It should run a little smoother, I think. Hopefully. Nice. Look at this. You there, help me rid of all these pests. I'm too weak to finish them off. Please hurry. That beast of a man seems like no harm to ourselves. His magic resembles... Can I shrink this a little bit? I don't think it will let me. That's okay. Alright, so I think we're looking okay-ish. I don't know why that's getting stuck. I feel like this music is not matching the vibe. Whoa. Okay, that's the problem, I remember. Thank you, my life is in your hands now. Last Guardian. Yeah, he's the giant. You share the blood of my ancestors. You are the last of our kind, the giant's race. Okay, so we need to make a couple things happen. Yeah, he's like the guy we're gonna save or whatever. But he's doing pretty good. He doesn't really do much in the game. We actually fight one of these guys, though, in the boss battle before this area. This one's the blue one, which is like the good guy. And then we have like an evil one that's going to be more like the bad guy. I'm debating about making the final boss like one of these guys, but I don't really know. We have to match it with the book. Alright. That looks good, though. We just need to adjust the last cutscene, I think. So, let's see what we gotta do here. Alright, so we need to force our position to look that way, which we've done before, I'm pretty sure. The easiest boss to replicate is the one we had in the starting area, I'm pretty sure. The basement boss battle, I think is what we called it. So we go to scenes. I think it was Bad Place Boss, because look, we have like a red one for over here. We have like the same kind of dude. If you can see it, hold on. This one matches like the blue guy. But this one's like we actually fight him. The other one we save him basically. But this one's going to be like an evil corrupted one, if that makes sense. I think in the book it's not even like alive. I'm pretty sure it's just like a zombie or something. But yeah, it looks pretty good to me. But anyway, we need to force the direction of the player to face the boss when it starts going there, because that is definitely an issue. I don't remember what's controlling this. I think it's this thing. Boss scene, battle place. Yeah, I think this is how we did it. We force the player's last input direction to up. But yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Alright, let's see. Last input direction. We need this. We also need to play the correct music. I think we should do the battle music, and then we'll do the cutscene music once you defeat it. So we're going to take that code snippet, and we're going to go back to where we were. Tower floor 4. Okay. And then we need to add that, because we need to force our player to look at the guy when all this stuff happens. We don't care about when he hits this thing, but when it basically ends it, then we want to go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and find where we have that. I'm pretty sure that's in one of these things. Let me double check something. I don't like. No, that looks good to me. Okay. Let's see how that goes there. Cool. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to go to wherever this is. I'm trying to remember where we even put it. Didn't we have a script like doing all this stuff? Is it not in world stuff? Tower cutscene, probably that one. How's our health? Cool. Okay. Where is my little thingy? Yeah, okay, so we need to add that code for this. Oh, I wish it would let me. There we go. Maybe? Okay, so we need to add that code. So when we start the second scene, I think, on stage, so it's going to be in the process one. Current stage 1 and 2. Where is that? Where did we start that? No, that's not it. I think it's in the process function. Transition to trigger stage 2. Okay, this is it. So this is where we basically start this thing. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, Shub? Shub Flu. Hey, just found your 15-hour course on Godot. Going to start it. Yeah. You know, the next one's about to come out. I think I'm going to come out with the next one in like a couple days. So you got to catch up. You got to take the entire first course before you start the new one, okay? You got it. Yeah, apart from teaching game development, I also make games. That's what this is. We are working on a game right now. My goal is to release a course like every 2 months. And then I also want to make a game about every 6 months, I think. But yeah, it's awesome, man. Godot is freaking awesome. It's the best engine. Alright, where is the player? We need the player. The player. Here's the player. Okay. So what we're going to do here is we need to force the position. So actually we need to do that after we change the scene. Because we're going to change the scene, then we're going to do this here. So we need to go ahead and take the player's position. I think. Or I think it's something else. I'm pretty sure it's like... We copied the code. It was just this. Now, the only thing is I think the positioning is incorrect. So we're going to take that, paste it there, get rid of that, save the change. Nice. Perfecto. Did did not like. There's always a weird glitch. Anytime I save it, it gets all crazy. Yeah, you gotta get on it, Shub. It's do the whole thing in 2 days, all right? I bet you can do it. I believe in you. I think I had one person do it over the entire weekend because literally I think I had like a watch time of like 20 hours in like 2 days, which was insane. There's some people that just go crazy on it. But you should do it. And then join the Discord and send me the game once you make it, so we can see how cool you made your own version. Yeah, everybody should join the Discord if you're not in it, so you can keep up with all the new courses and game updates. I'm trying to get better at coming up with like little shorts from the stream, so ask me some wild questions. All right, but what we got? So last direction is going to be up. Good. Okay, so that's going to fix that issue. Also, the song, I don't like the song. So cutscene song is fine because we ended the battle, but the initial song when we start this whole thing, we need to play the one that is just basically, I think we're going to play the one that's battle. So body entered, we can do it here. I don't know what we called it. Did we call it boss battle song or something? I guess we called it boss song. Let's call it boss song. It's not going to like when I save. But if I don't save, then we're going to have trouble. Yeah, okay, so that'll fix that issue. That'll fix the facing the correct way issue. So now we just need to fix the smoke issue, which I think is happening because on start, it's doing everything that we talked about. So let's see. Start dialogue. I just wonder where it's doing that. Setup stage. Open pages? Because what we're doing is we're turning on the talkers. See, that's what we're doing. So we are doing it correctly because we're setting this also in the second one, but the problem is we're not setting this, I think, in the correct area. So what we need to do is we need to play idle first, I think, because it is playing the smoke animation after. So current stage 2. So set up stage 1. Trigger stage 2. Is it going and doing it? I don't think so. I don't know where that's doing it. I think it is this. To be fair, it doesn't really matter where it's doing it. We just want it to turn it on. Because I know it's returning it on, because we have it turning on in the first one. We just need it to turn on in the second one, which we have a whole piece of code for this. I just don't get how... Oh, there it is, see? So that's where it's doing it. It's making them visible, but it's not resetting their animation, and that's the real problem. So what we need to do is we need to take the talkers. These are like our little side buddies. We're gonna do dot play, and I think we're just gonna do... I don't think it's idle down. I'm pretty sure it's idle up. But maybe that's because we did it like that, maybe? I don't know. Let's try it. I guess we did idle down. I don't believe that's true at all, though. Because if we go into its scene, I don't think it's going to like it. Okay. Let's jump into the scene, double check the name. I don't think it's idle D, because it's totally not facing downward. Because if we go to the code, that's totally not it either. Where is the... Here it is. We're going to go to the tower cutscene. Okay, see, what's happening is we're turning these guys on and off. I guess it is idle down. We only had one animation phase. That's funny. Okay, well now that should fix that. So let's go ahead and double check it works again. And we should be set. So let's go ahead. Because the other extra thing we need to do is we need to add the potion. Alright, so let me make sure all this is going to face correctly. Because it's always too big, and I want to make sure it fits in the middle spot. Way too big. What is happening? Wow. this 6. I want to put it in the middle. I wish it would auto stay and keep it. So let's go ahead. I guess that's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead and walk up. Start the battle. Okay, nice. You there, help me rid of all these pests. I am too weak to finish them off myself. Please hurry. That beast of a man seems like no harm to ourselves. His magic resembles your own Luciano. Alright, so we have to save him. Oh no. Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Thank you, my life is yours now. I am the last guardian. You share the blood of my ancestors. You are the last of our kind, the giant's race. Please take this. It will open the temple's path. There you can cure this nasty corruption of our lands. Nice. Looks good. Alright, I like it. It's so loud though, I wish I could turn down the music a little bit. Sweet, okay. So now we just need to give ourselves the potion reward. Also, get that out of there. Okay. Alright. How are we doing? Hopefully good. Let's see what we gotta do. I bet what we should do. So that works. I think the position for us is still way too low. My only problem with that is, unless we want to lower him down, which I think we could do. So like, yeah, I think we could lower the main guy down a little bit, possibly. And then, because it's either that or we gotta basically move everything up. And I don't think that's a good idea. To be fair, actually, we could kind of... my only issue with that is we messed it all up. I just think we're too far away from him. Like, we're standing too far away. So we should, like, adjust how we're gonna do this. Okay, so either we push him downward or we go upward. I have a feeling we should just push him downward. I think he's too far up anyway. Yeah, so let's go ahead back to floor. And then let's just move him like there, I guess. Just a little bit lower so he looks like he's more in the view of what's happening. Okay, and I think his animation's here. And I'm pretty sure one of these is his hitbox. I don't know. Let's just move him down a bit and go like here, I guess. Let's see how that looks. That might be a lot better. And then we just need to go ahead and adjust his static body boxes, which I think is just this one. Okay. And then this one. Nice. Okay. I think with that, it should fix our issue. Okay, good. I think that'll be okay. Alright. Okay, looks good there. What do we need? What do we need? I think that'll fix that. To reward us the potion, I don't think it's going to be too hard because we did just do that with our other one. We did that one with the boss before this boss, I'm pretty sure. What we could do... Where is that boss? I think he's in Valley 3, I'm pretty sure. I have way too many things open. I'm pretty sure that boss is in Valley 3. Let's locate Valley 3. Noble Duck still #1? What? Come on, guys. Someone can beat Noble Duck. Don't let him take the throne. Okay. Can't be beaten. I know, the duck is holding the heavy crown. Alright, but let's go ahead and give our player a reward for beating the boss. I'm pretty sure we did that here. Somewhere. Temple cutscene. Valley 3 stuff. Boss battle. Here we go. Okay. What are we going to do? We need to do a couple things. One, we need to win the game. Boss battle 1. I think it's in here. Or did we do it somewhere else? Because what's all this stuff? We need to go to Endmer boss scene. I think with that is what we have. Endmer boss scene, go into there. Locate Endmer boss scene. I don't think this is it either. Where is the potion? I think it's this thing. Yeah. Okay, because this is where we get it, basically. So, okay. We need to collect everything here. Except... well, we could take that too. Alright, we're going to take everything here. And we're going to copy all that fun stuff. Okay, nice. Alright, go back to the original one we're at. Tower floor 4. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. Whoa, what is happening? Why is it freaking out? Alright, we need to go back to, I think the boss scene is where that management was happening. So, yes, okay. And then we need to do it on 2. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I don't know, it could be this. I think it's this one. But we need to do it on close. We need to find on close. Wherever that is. On stage, yep, here we go. On stage 2 ended. Here we go. This is where we actually give ourselves the reward and all the fun stuff. But I think the problem is, well, I guess it doesn't really matter because it's gonna just end anyway. But anyway, let's add what we need in here. Okay, so global flashing. Why does it not like that? I think it's because our lines are all messed up. So let's go back a bit for each one. This is basically just going to give us a new entry for our new potion, which I think is called Evil P. I think is what we called it. I think. I don't remember. We can call it Evil P for our flashing item, which we'll make real quick. So our Evil P flashing item, that'll be in our player. So we'll leave all this fun stuff here, go back to the player. Alright, now we need to add in the animation. So what we can do is we're gonna locate, we need to locate, I think it's something that's beeping a lot. Oh well. Alright, let's go ahead. Where is it? Game bag? No. I don't think it's there either. New item, okay. Okay, whoop, whoop, whoop. Too many things. Okay, here we go. Do we even have one? I don't think we have one yet. Okay, so we'll call it Evil P. That's so wrong. Okay. Evil P. And evil P is going to be the thing that flashes when we get our new potion. Specifically, we want the green evil potion. Animation. I think we're going to go ahead to here. There we go. Okay, so that is going to flash basically when we get our new reward. Perfect. Awesome. All right. Okay, so we have this new evil potion. That's fine. The only problem is now we need to make sure it updates correctly. So if we go to items, I think is where? Yeah. We need to set the code line for it. This is going to be the actual signal that kind of like starts it up. So again, evil P, and change that to evil P. Cool. Same thing here. This is going to turn off now. Again, evil P. We are talking about a lot of evil P right now. That's kind of gross. What makes P evil, guys? Evil P. Alright, evil P, evil P. That's a lot of evil P. Alright, let's see. Come on, you can do it. Nice. Okay, so we did that. I think we turned off everything correctly. Perfect. So now that'll flash once we get the mission done. Perfect. Let's see what else we can do. Let's locate the next thing we gotta do. Alright, so we have that done. We'll now get that, but now we need to get it actually inside of our inventory. So we gotta go back to the script we were on, which I'm pretty sure was here. Yep. Okay, so we can new this now. That's gonna have the new thing. But now we need to add the item in, and we also need to give us some extra ones. So that's gonna be for this here. So we need to find our global script, wherever that is. Global. Nice. Okay. For our global script, we need to give ourselves more ammo. So that's going to be 0 for coins, 2 for fire, 3 for ice, 4 for boom, 5 for evil. Okay, so we need to give ourselves 5, I think. So back to here. We are going to make our count number equal 5, I think. Alright, I think with that we should be set. Global. Let me double check. Was it? Yeah, okay. That's why we did it like that. Alright, cool. So we got that there. Nice. What else do we got to do? Okay, we can add more. Nice, we get that. Now, my one thing about this, I think, is the fact that I think we're going to have some players not realize what they need to do with this potion stuff, and they're just going to throw it, and, like, they're just going to waste all their potions. So, I have a feeling we're going to need to be able to come back to the giant and collect more potions every single time for now on. So, I think we're going to need to do that. That's probably the best way to do this. So, let's take, again, I don't really care about this spot. Ooh, but we could do this. Evil P. I don't know what we called it in here. I think we did call it Evil P. Oh, I don't know. We can double check what we called it. I'm pretty darn sure it's Evil P. Because we have a bunch of scripts that loop and start adding things into the player's inventory. I just don't remember what we called it originally because it was so long ago. We can go ahead and find out what it is. I think if we go ahead and go to, what was it? I think it was in like, is it interacting boxes? No. Charged items. That's not right. Because look, this is B potion. Oh no. Well, no, that doesn't really matter. My only worry is something is clicking so much. What is happening? Okay. Evil P. No, I don't think so, because we called that one like the boom potion thing. Maybe it's in here. Let's see. It is called Evil P. Okay, good. I just wanted to double check, because basically it's going to loop through everything and only make certain things visible. I don't know why we didn't name it the same thing. That's kind of silly. We should have named it that, because as you can see, that is a silly thing to do. But that's okay. We're learning. All right. Let's go ahead. We're almost there. The logic of this guy is just kind of weird. It's like overly complicated. Okay, so this is going to work fine, I think. So this will now give us the new potions. And yeah, it'll give us the new potions. It'll give us the whatever, the reward or something, I think. But now we need it to basically, I think we're gonna need it to give us more if we come back. So what we're gonna do is, I guess, get empty spot. Empty spot doesn't matter because it could just equal. Because, yeah, you're right. Empty spot does not matter because we're just going to basically add 5 more to each one every time. So you're right. So we should just take that. And what we're going to do is paste that in at the end of the 3rd one. So every time we come back here, my only worry with this is, what if we're already at stage 3? What's up, man? What's up, TXR Ramp? How you doing? Hanging in there? We're just working away. Are you here to take the Noble Duck's spot? I think you can do it. I believe in you. Alright, global current items equal 5. Stage 3. Why is it queue freeing this thing? That's not supposed to happen. I only want to queue free certain items, I think, instead. No, you know why? I can't give you a sneak peek though? Is because it's coming out tomorrow. So I can't even give you a sneak peek because the game's literally gonna be out tomorrow. But I can show you a sneak peek if you can actually play the games right now, though, if you want to. They're on itch.io. I think I can share the link for it. I posted the games, but I'm coming out with the actual, like, what do you call it? I'm coming out with the actual thing literally tomorrow. So you'll see it's like 3 new games. It's pretty cool. But I'm just going to, like, replace the old one. Here, let me just add it in the chat and then you can play it. You can find them on my itch account. They're already there. So if you want to play the games, you can. I don't think there's any bugs. Oh yeah, you learn crazy data saving stuff. You learn a lot of data saving stuff. But no, I'm literally going to finish editing it probably tonight. I have I think I have 85 videos to edit, and it's going to be about a 20-hour course. So it's getting there. It really is getting there. It's just a pain. I have like a new way I'm doing it, like a little more advanced, so you'll see. It's a pretty cool course though. If you already have access to my intermediate level one, then you'll just get like the same access because I'm just going to basically replace the old one with the new one. So if you already have it, then you'll be able to download all the games and play it all, or it's a lot of cool stuff. It has a lot of data saving in it. A lot more Like even my teaching for it though, I think has gotten significantly easier because I'm doing more like testing, more diagrams, all that stuff. All right, let's see. But no, it's looking good. Yeah, you can play those games right now and let me know how you feel about it. I think they're fun. I think they're probably the best games I've taught so far. I'm really excited though because after this course, I publish it, I'm gonna get started on my advanced course pretty soon. And that course, I've already made it once, but I'm definitely going to make it like really good this time. Like I'm gonna have 3 games in it, a farming simulator that's like really advanced. I'm probably gonna make a Terraria clone, and then I'm also gonna make, I think, like another RTS, kind of like Age of Empires. But I'm super excited. It's gonna be so much fun. I am excited. So much stuff. Okay, but this guy here is very wrong because the pages are all messed up. I wonder if it's actually going through step 2. I can't tell. I think I need to print this because completed main mission should equal... Why is completed main mission equal 21? That's so wrong. No, no, no. It should equal 27. This is weird. This should not be happening. I think the reason it's doing this, and it doesn't really matter if it's doing this, because we don't want it to reset it. We want it to go to 27 there. But we want to also give ourselves potions every time we go to the 3 one. So we're going to take this here. What is beeping so much? The Windows is mad at me. There's some like warning window somewhere, but I refuse to find it. It does every time I think it's every time I run. Wait. No, I thought it was every time I was like left clicking, it was going. Maybe it's right clicking. It is every time I right click, they go. Wait, no. Oh man, that's funny. Okay, whatever. Anyway, we got global current items. Let's see. So when this happens though, I don't really want to queue free any of this stuff. I just want to queue free specifically the area 2D. So the area 2D is disabled. That's fine. Huh. I kind of want to make it so it's like we can interact with him. But then I'm kind of okay just having it where we can talk to him again. I don't know. We can try this though. Let's try and see and make sure everything looks good. Let's let that load. Let's go back to 2D view. I have a feeling it's not going to like this though. All right, let's try this again. Let's also make it small enough so you can see it. It does not like this loading. Whoa. Okay. Let's see if this works. So. Alright. Nice. Can I just stay still the whole time? I gotta make these guys harder. They're so easy. They're so easy. Okay. I still feel like we're way too far away. I think we need to be like way closer to him. Thank you, my life is yours now. Like my ancestors. Last of my kind. Giants, please take this. Oh, we got an error. That's Out of bounds. Get in X5. That's wrong. Okay. It doesn't like the array I have. I think it's 4. I don't think it's 5. Current items 5, 0, 1. I knew we did this wrong somewhere. Okay, let's try this again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I knew it was 4. I knew it was 4. I knew it was 4. Okay, let's try it again. Let's go ahead. So this is not 5. This is definitely 4. Cool, but we can keep that there. Ooh, it does not like to load. One of these days it's gonna crash. The tavern game, tower defense game, and making game, mining game are the new ones, right? Yes, those are all 3 new ones. So you'll learn those in the new course that comes out hopefully tomorrow. I just got to get all that editing done. I think I have like 70 more videos to edit, and then it should be all set. So we're getting there. It just takes forever, but I'm excited. It'll be really cool. I don't know. I think it's really cool because you learn all 3 saving types. You'll learn JSON saving. You'll learn Godot resource saving. You'll also learn CFG saving, which is primarily used for, I would say, like game states and stuff or settings. But ultimately, I don't know. It'll be good. It'll be very good. But yeah, let's see. What do we got here? Boom, boom, boom. And I actually added like sound effects in it and all this other stuff. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And then one day I will do the 3D game dev courses. One day, guys, it'll get here. One day. I just need to remake all the current ones, and then I'll start making these 3D courses that you want, okay? One day. Give me some game ideas for the 3D courses. What do you guys want? I was thinking like Mario 64 third-person view game, then maybe kind of like a Minecraft kind of game or something, and then some kind of like vehicle game or whatever for at least the beginner course. But I'll definitely have different games for each level of courses for the 3Ds ones. But I'm excited. A lot of people have been requesting those games. Okay, let's double check what we got going on. Okay, what did we just do? We fixed the problem, but I have a feeling it's still not going to work the way we want. Because we want to still be able to talk to him like an NPC. I think that's kind of the problem here. But I have an idea for that. I think that'll work really good, so I think we'll be okay. I think we're just going to get another NPC and just put him behind it, and then do it like that. I think that's probably the best way to do it. But he's not going to like turn directions or anything because he just stands still. But anyway, let's try this again. All right. Let's see what we got. All right, let's go ahead and fight the boss. All right, looks good there. Nice. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Ah. That'd be really sad if I can't beat my own boss. Sweet, we did it, guys. We did it. Nice. Okay. So we got the potion. These guys are not going away. But we don't have the potion. No, it didn't add it. Uh-oh. Okay, that's not good. Huh. Let's double check why that happened. I think you know why that happened? I have an idea why that happened. I don't think it's going to the end of 2, if that makes sense. I think it's going straight to 3, and that's the problem. Okay, let's double check how we can make this work. I don't think it's going to 2. I'm not confident that it's going to 2. It's going to stage... It's like kind of going to stage 2 because it's not giving us the actual thing here. Oh, this game is from Ninja Adventure Pack. It's like one of the biggest, I think, like top-down platformer games on itch.io that you can use for commercial-free use. It's huge. It's so good. I think I even use it in one of my courses. But it looks really cool, though. This is probably one of my favorite asset packs to use. I've also edited a couple things in it as well. Oh yeah, it has, dude, it's enormous. It's like crazy. Here, let me look it up for you. It's insane. It's probably the best one. Ninja Adventure Asset Pack. It's like actually amazing. I don't know, like it's the best like top-down pixelated asset pack I've ever seen. It's raised like so much money apparently. Here, let me send it. It has everything. It's probably like one of the best ones to use. Oh no, it didn't copy the URL. Hold on. Let me find it. Ninja Adventure Asset Pack. It's absolutely amazing. It's literally my favorite top-down asset pack you can use for commercial free use. So like basically you can like use it. You just aren't allowed to like resell it and stuff. Hunt. Here you go. You don't have to hunt for it. I got it. It's fine. It took like 2 seconds. No, but that's like a really good one. I would download that. Because sometimes what happens is they'll put asset packs up and then they'll take them down. So definitely grab them just so you can like have them for the future. But it's really good. It has a really good like landscape look to it. And the characters are nice because even I've edited, like my main character is self-made. Like I made that based off of one of those characters. So there's like a lot you can do with it, which is cool. Okay, but anyway, we are not getting the potion. Why are we not getting the potion? I don't think it... Oh, this is why. Because look, we are not passing in the evil potion. We're passing in the boom potion. So it's just giving us more boom potions. Is it going to do it? There we go. Okay, so now this should work. My only worry is, again, it's not getting rid of the guys. So this needs to happen. We need to do this at the end of the third one also. I also think we need to set the colors correctly. I think this is why, actually. Hold on. Okay, so we take these guys. I don't know why we have all this stuff here. I think this is what we do. Because it didn't actually make them invisible. The second one does it. I thought it didn't do it though. Weird. I could have sworn it didn't make them go invisible. I think what happened is it's playing this one, and that's my problem. Okay, let's try it now. I don't think this is gonna work. Because I think end stage 3 is being initiated incorrectly still. Let's see if this works. All right. It's running so much smoother. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Cool. That one kind of works, but not really. Whoa, it's totally not moving like I want it to. Oh no. That took a lot of hits. Okay. I gotta lock in. I gotta be able to beat my own boss. Alright. Okay. That happens, blah blah blah. Okay. They do disappear now. Okay, that's fine. The pink thing needs to go away though. Also, I still think we're way too far away from him. But we're looking better though. Alright, let's go ahead. I still feel way too far away from this guy. And that's my biggest problem here. We gotta get close. So let's take that. And let's take this. And we're gonna move it up because it's kind of ridiculous how far away we are. Dude. Man, I can't believe the duck is still in front. How is that possible? The duck is still winning, guys. Come on. You gotta catch up to him. Someone's gotta take the throne. Alright, let's see. We move this up, we move that down. We need to fix the coloring. Specifically, the smoke coloring. This should already be doing that, because look, it's setting it. We need this to be set. I think it's one of these. Yeah, isn't this one? Animate spray, yeah. So why is it not setting the color back? I think it's because, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think you just claimed the spot, Noble Duck. Yeah, I don't know how you're winning still. I guess you're just special. Maybe it's because you were the first one to say something, so they give you like extra points or something. That would make sense. That's funny. The duck reigns superior. Alright. Why are we getting pink clouds? We don't want pink clouds. Something is making the clouds pink. I don't know what's making the clouds pink. They know you're cooler. Maybe they are just really like ducks. Whoever they are, like there's like someone just controlling it all. This is totally not... Oh, you know why it's doing this? Is because we're doing self-modulate instead of modulate. That's probably the reason. Yeah, duh. See? Look at that. That's why it's changing, because we're changing that fine. The problem is we're not changing that one. So, hold on. Oh, it might crash. No, I think you made me crash it, duck. No. Godot is weird. It really struggles. It's totally gonna crash. No. It's not a good game dev session until your engine crashes. This is concerning. What is happening? Yeah, it crashed. No! Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know why that crashed. All I selected was the color. That doesn't make any sense. get back in there. Develop my Red Bull Studio. I like my little pixelated logo here. Watch it just be like corrupted now. Just because I tried to change the color of the text. Come on, you can do it. I think it's also because I just put so many things in the game at this point. Like, way too much stuff. Alright, we are back. I think I did save everything though. Not that I changed too much. I don't think I changed too much. It always takes a minute to come back. Come on, you can do it. It's kind of working. It's catching up. It's catching up. You know, I think I had that same color issue with it last time. I don't know why I forgot to fix that. Still booting up, booting up. Whoa. Alright, here we go. I think. Now it's caught up. Alright, so here's the problem. We're changing self-modulate colors. I don't know what it is, but something with the Godot version I use, it just absolutely can't stand when I change the colors. Like, I don't know what it is, but every time I try to change the colors, or even like the editor's theme, it just makes everything crash. I don't know what the deal is, but it's kind of ridiculous. Alright. Okay. Is it going to let me do what I want to do? So we're going to take the color, and then we're going to go ahead and keep that normal. But we're going to set this, though, to the one we copied, because we know this one is the one taking care of the color change, which is that like little pink color. So what we're going to do also is anytime we turn them back on, which we know the only second time we turn it back on is going to be here, before we make them all disappear. So on stage 2, I think we turn them back on somewhere. Not the end of stage 2, but the start of stage 2. I'm pretty sure. Where did it go? Okay, stage 2, stage 2, stage 2. What? I am losing my mind. Where is stage 2? Here it is. Okay, on stage 2 ended. We don't care about ended, we care about started. I think we have a, like, something for this. Don't we? Yeah, we do right here. Okay, stage 2. Here we go. See how we're doing idle? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we need to make sure that this guy is set to the same color, because we don't care. I think it's the second talker 2 guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take him here. We're going to do a dot modulate, or self-modulate, because that's what we chose for some silly reason. With that, it should fix that issue. Okay, so I think we fixed pretty much everything. The only thing we haven't done yet is when we come back to this. Anytime I change the colors of things, it just can't stand it. Okay. Also, I don't want to queue free anything, because we did that at the end of this, and it doesn't even do anything. I don't know why it does that, but what we could do, what I think, well, we do need to disable the activation of it. That's okay. Capital song. Okay. All right, whatever. Let's see if this works. If we can get it to go through all the way, then we'll be in a good place. Wow. All right, guys. What is happening? Here we go. All right, let's do it. 3 times the charm. All right. Boop-a-doop. Oh no. Cool. All right, those guys disappear correctly. That's good. What is happening? There we go. It's so laggy. It's like not taking my inputs. That's crazy. All right, come on. We got this. So bad at this. Cool. Okay. Perfect. This guy is the correct color now. That's what I wanted. Let's see. You share the same blood of my ancestors, blah, blah, blah. You share the last of our kind, the giant's race. Okay. Perfect. Look at that. Okay, and we get our potion. I still think we're too far away from him. I don't know. I guess it's okay. I am like weirdly... I should be more centered. I don't know why I'm not centered. We can move him to the right. I don't think we're centered though. No, I think we're too much to the left. Which is strange. I think we're too much to the left. Just a little bit. So we could take... No, we're exactly where we want to be. That doesn't make sense. What we could do is just move this whole thing, I guess, a little bit. That's okay then. We'll do that. So we can move the whole thing over to the left a little bit, and I think we should be okay. Okay, let's go ahead and just do that before I forget. That's going to be tower cutscene. Yeah, because look, I don't think he's centered at all. So let's just go like 2 pixels to the left. Nice. Doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to make sure that it is somewhat centered so it doesn't look super lopsided. But for the most part, I think it's looking good. Now, okay, the other problem I've noticed is that we need things to disappear. Basically, a lot of these guys. We want all these guys not to be here anymore when we've already done this. So we want to be in the script itself, and then we got to go ahead and we got to do... I think on ready is when we do it, because we know we end this at 27. I'm pretty sure. Maybe. Yeah, we do. Okay. So we end this whole thing at 27, okay? So at 27, we're setting idols, blah, blah, blah. Are we getting rid of all these little dudes? I don't think so. We're not. Okay. So we also need to get rid of the enemies. So after we beat it for the first time, we definitely need to queue free these guys. And I have a feeling that we can't do it the way I want to do it. But we can try it. Like, whatever. This is the robust way. This is not the way you should do it, but let's just do it and see what happens. 2, 3, 1, 4. No ordering. Who cares, right? This is probably why my game loads horribly. Watch it like not work when I get it on Steam because of this. It's gonna be like, yeah, you can't just call things directly in path. That's gonna be crazy. Alright, come on. Okay, it's not gonna like this. There's no way I'm just gonna be able to do this. It's probably gonna do like call deferred or whatever. I think we've done that somewhere else pretty recently. I don't remember though where it is. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we do that. We get rid of all these guys when we come back. My only issue is we should be able to talk to him again. So I don't want to queue free him entirely. So this is the problem. We need to get rid of any queue frees we have that involve the actual person. So we got rid of the one there. We got rid of the one here. But we do, though, if this is set to this, we want to set it to stage 3, I think, because we're on... I think it's called stage 3. Is that what we called it? Because we want it to basically always initiate the correct one. So if we go to, current stage, we need to always set it to current stage 3 after we beat the boss. Which I think we can do like this. I'm pretty sure. My other problem is that I have a feeling that we're not going to be able to talk to him like we do normally with interact, because I think if we go to like an NPC or something, we can do it that way, but I think it's going to be kind of difficult. I don't know. Hope everybody's night is going good. It's been pretty nice weather where I am. Let's see, what do we got? We need just a regular NPC. So my idea was we make an NPC specific for him, but that's going to cause a lot of issues. All right, what are we doing? Let's find our little NPC guy. Where is NPC? I don't see regular NPC. Did we call it? I thought we just called it NPC. Maybe it's in Ville Place. Nope. That is really funny. We don't, it doesn't even matter actually, because these are all regular NPCs. I just didn't make it dynamic. That's why it's not working correctly. Okay, but this is what we gotta do, is this interact. So basically we start the pages when we hit it with interact. Because if we don't do that, then, well, we can do it. It's gonna be tricky though. Let's try it. All right, so let's go ahead. I really want to get this boss done. This boss is no fun, because whenever you have like a bunch of NPC stuff to do in it, it gets complicated. How do I... Tower cutscene. Okay, this is the one. I think the one with the collision shape, where we originally initiate things, which we can find if we go here and we double click the, well, we could do body, but we're actually going to connect an area entered to it instead. Because again, we're going to be looking for the interact one. So we're going to paste that there. And then we're going to have to copy what we have in here. I don't care about the song. I think all we're gonna do is we're gonna start dialogue, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay, because it's already disabled, that's fine. Copy. So we're gonna start dialogue because we know it's set to 3, if I remember. So let's go ahead, start dialogue. But we also need to go ahead and make sure that this collision shape is turned off. This is the original one that basically starts it when we walk into it. But because we no longer want to have the boss battle after we defeat the boss, we have to make sure that is turned off. Which I think we are already doing right there. Static body, nope, that's for the static body, that's the wall. But we also don't want the wall on, but we will want this off. So we can only talk to it to that one box. Now this one box should be on, but we also don't have the box. So I'm gonna do this. We're gonna add a box. I'm also gonna change the name. We'll just call it the NPC box. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this one active, okay? Dot disabled equals, we could do false maybe? Yeah, because it'll be disabled true when it's on the reg. So on the reg, we will go ahead and disable it. Now, this guy, we are gonna have to find a good spot for it because it's probably extremely the wrong shape. So let's make unique. This is huge. It's huge! Alright. I still don't think that box is the right size. also want to make it like a red so we can see it. We can test the theory by saving it. And we can go back to tower floor. And that's clearly this white box. So it needs to go down a little bit, like a couple pixels, and thin it out quite a bit. To be fair, we could also just match it with this. I'm okay doing that because remember, this is kind of like the size of it, so let's just do that. First, we're gonna go down a bit. And then I'm pretty sure we needed to extend it more to the left and the right. What we should have done is we should have had one for when he gets defeated and when he is not defeated. So now, as you can see, that's way too big. So down a little bit more. Maybe we do that. Maybe we just go down a little bit more. Make sure the bottom one's set first. Perfect. Okay. Then we're going to go inwards to the left a little bit. Awesome. And then we're going to go ahead. Let's see. Inward a little bit more to the left. Nice. Okay. I can't see. A tiny bit more to the left. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, let's see. Inward, perfect. Okay, now this one, way too much. We need to make that go all the way to there. So let's go ahead, take that, and just go all the way there. I think with that, we should be looking okay. Maybe a little bit more. I don't think this is going to work, to be honest. I think we still have a bunch of little issues happening, but if it does work, I'll be really happy. Do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, cool. So we got that there, we got that there, we got that there. I think we're okay. My only issue is, well, I don't think we have an issue. I think we're doing okay. All right. I think maybe we'll be okay from this. I don't know. I hope so. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's also shrink it a bit so people can see. Okay, so let's go ahead. All right. Well, I have to start the fight. Start the fight. Okay. Perfect. All right, now. Die, 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 die. Get out of here. All right. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Thank you, my life is in yours now. Blah, blah, blah. You share the blood of my ancestors. You're the last of your kind. Please take this, and it will open the temple paths. Blah, 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 blah. We get the potion. Okay. We got the potion. Can we throw the potion? Probably not. No, we can't. No. It's okay. I should have tested the thing first. No. Ugh. And this is like a really dumb problem. This is the problem that we have because we ended up changing and adding the sound effects. And we never added a sound effect for the evil potion. Alright, but that is something I don't care about right now. We need to make sure that the boss can continuously get talked to. So let's go ahead and fix that. Okay. Let's go ahead. Charge! We're going to skip through this very fast because, again, we need to just make sure this works correctly. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. get the potion, the blocks go away. Can we talk to him again? No, we can't. Uh-oh. It's because we never enabled it, that's why. But we could have done it the other way. Okay, so we gotta go back. We never enabled it, that's why. So we need to go ahead and we need to go to where we can enable it. So after 3, I think, or 2 even. I'm pretty sure 2 actually. We need to enable the dialogue ability. So 3 is fine. Where is 2? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. We just need to enable this. Okay, so we're going to take that. Dot enabled. Very wrong. Nope. Enabled, 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 enabled. Actually, disabled. Aha. Equals true. Sweet. Okay. No. Equals false. Ah. Honestly, we could also like debug this too, and then we would have solved this issue, but I don't know. I think it looks better if we don't. Okay. So now, again, we gotta run it again. It's not gonna like this. Ah! I don't know why it does that. It's so weird. Okay, let's try again. I shouldn't be able to hit them. Oh no. Hold on. Oh, I think it did it too fast. I remember. That's okay. Also, that's totally messed up. Is that also messed up? No, that's okay. Yay, we did it. Okay. Cool. Cool. Can we talk to him again? Thank you, my life is yours now. Okay. Huh? We are playing the second one for some reason after 2. I think that's because... But also, why are we shouldn't be able to run into it. That's what's not making sense to me. Oh, I know why. I know why. Because we have the original signal attached to it, so it thinks... Ah, that's so annoying. Okay, so this is the same thing. So basically, even though we have that box set, it's still doing the same thing. So unless we remove the signal, which is a bad idea. Actually, no, what we could do to fix that is a way simpler solution. What we could do, first off, is we need to set the stage. Because we're not doing that. Are we doing that? Why wouldn't we have done that? I guess because it thinks that we're going to leave the map. That's probably why. It doesn't matter. We can just do this here. So... stage, start dialogue, start page. I think it was like current something. Current stage. Okay, we need to set that to 3 at the end of 2. Cool. Okay, and then I'm pretty dang sure what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go ahead and set the stage to 3. We need to turn, if stage equals 3, then we don't want to redo this. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay, so we're gonna find again the signal for this guy now, and what we're gonna say, and stage does not equal 3. that's the problem. That means we save space because we don't need to add that. Why did it bring me over there? That's concerning. All right, let's go ahead and test again. I could have sworn there's something else we need to change, but I'm not remembering it. It's okay though. Let's try it again. I guess we do need to fix the positioning of that. I don't really know if we need to do that, to be honest. Like, it doesn't really matter. I guess that's really annoying. I wonder how we can do that, because it's kind of not that hard of a solution. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. We fight him. Spam, spam, spam. Okay. Is this also getting messed up? Yeah, it is. That's okay, though. Okay. We get the potion. My worry is we can't talk to him again, or stuff is gonna happen. Also, I think it's playing the wrong song. It's not playing the capital song. I know why. Okay, this works now. Only problem is... What is... Whoa, that scared me. That really scared me. What was that? It's the music. I think it automatically changed. That was so scary. Whoa. That was horrifying. What the heck? Whoa. Do I have 2 Godots open right now? How is that possible? That was so scary. What? Okay. I think I know what's happening. I don't know why we decided to do this. To be fair, who knows? But that was so funny. I think what we did was we had the music play after the third one, thinking it would transition to the third stage right after the first one. But that doesn't make sense. Whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and locate what we needed. So we need to reset the music back at the end of this one, which I think was like, where did we? Also, yeah, we need to stop doing this, because what happens is it's like taking it and hold on. Ooh, you know what? Do we want to say we get new potions every time he gives us new potions? I guess, because that would kind of like give us the thing. I could see that being an issue. But anyway, capital song we want to play above the smoke change. And then same thing for this. Why did we not set the music change? It doesn't matter. We just need to put it before smoke. Also, we don't want to reset the scene as well. So I think we're changing it into UI. My only worry with this is I think the fact that we're doing it this way is going to change it, if that makes sense. Wow. Okay. All right. Why is it doing that? Maybe because it's starting dialogue? It is because of its starting dialogue in UI. Well, technically, we just don't want this thing to happen. Okay, so if current stage does not equal 3. It's 3, I don't care about resetting it if it equals 3. Okay, that'll fix that issue. Nice. Okay. All right. Perfect. You guys are awfully quiet. Or are you just enjoying the lo-fi music? All right, let's see. Let's see. I guess we could fix the fire scene. Was it called nature? No. Let's see. Interactive, enemies. Collectibles. No, maybe? I think this is like when we run into the potion. Where's the one where we throw it? Player? Yeah, that's it. Evil potion. It's evil. Alright, but it's looking for the audio sprite 2D. So audio stream player 2D. Okay. This is why it's not working and it's glitching out, is because we need to give it a sound effect. So it is evil fire. To be fair, it's like the same sound as the fire one. Well, it should be probably, because it's both fire, so maybe we'll just make it the same sound as the fire potion. Alright, let's just do that. That probably makes way more sense. But where is that? I think that's in the same thing we were just in. That was the first potion we ever made. A long time ago. Fire Wave is what we called it. Cool. Okay, let's find Fire Wave. Pretty sure that's in the asset pack. Sounds. I'm pretty sure it's just. Wait, was it Fire Wave 2? Oh no! Or just. Was there even. Oh, maybe it was just Fire Wave. Sounds pretty fiery to me. Nice. Sweet. Other things we could do, I think what we could do is match it to the firing box. So for this one, pretty sure it's also fire type. It's just fire and sword. Sounds like a good book title. Fire, sword, and evil. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay, so we have all that stuff there. How we doing here? Okay, we got the potion fixed, that's fine. We'll keep it as is. I think now, though, we can test it and it should work correctly. Everything should be working and we should have grand old time. The only thing we haven't tested is when we come back if it got rid of everything. I have a feeling, though, it's probably not going to like that. But we can try it. We'll see what happens. Alright, let's try it out. Cool. Blah, blah, blah. Everybody gets hit by the power. I have a feeling what I should do is I should make these guys, like, attack you if we attack them. I want the coin. I don't know why I have so many coins. No, I wanted that coin. Alright, thank you. My life is in yours. Blah, 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 blah. Cool. There we go. And now the music plays correctly. When that music played that one time, I totally thought I was like getting a phone call, but I've like never heard that ringtone, so it was like horrifying. So I was like, who, like, how and what is trying to talk to me? No, it still doesn't work. What is this? What? It's not Magic Ball. Or Boom Potion. Why does it want that? What is it looking for? Area 2D hit collision shape? Why? What in the world? Ugh, is it this thing? Why? But it's not a Boom Potion. It's not. Is Boom. What? So did I just like ruin all the other ones? Set deferred. Area 2D hit. Do we need to change this to hit? Okay. I don't know why that would do that. Weird. Because now it's going to get messed up here. Because if I get a fire potion, is it called hit? It is called hit. Oh no. Oh, I get it. Because some of them aren't supposed to like hit things. So this is the hit one. And then we need like... I think the circle one was because we get an ice potion back in the day. But that doesn't make sense either, because how does this work then? Yeah, we need this guy to work. We need an area 2D. Oh, no. Oh, I get it. Okay. I get it. Okay, so the hit is the hit area. That's why this is going to act funny. So we actually need two of these. We need the regular one, and then we need this other one. The hit, I don't think is the ring, is it? What is the hit? The hit is the actual circle. Okay. So we need the hit to be the actual circle. So this is totally not going to work. But we also need the area 2D, I think, to have a signal, right? Okay. So this is supposed to just be the area 2D. Okay. It's not going to like that. So this is the hit. That's like the hit box for it. And this is the 2D part. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. Change this to a nice big circle. And I think this is currently going to be set to disabled. How big did we make it last time? Right under first nose. So right under first nose, about that size. And that's going to be disabled. Okay, I remember how we did it. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, nice. Nice. We got it. Okay. What do I need to do now? Okay. Carry on. This is the quietest 16 people I've ever had on here. You guys like sleeping? You guys sleeping? Maybe they are sleeping. The lo-fi music is pretty relaxing. I'm out of water. Alright, let's see. Perfect. I gotta need to figure that out too. They disappear. Well, that didn't play the right song. Not good. Did it not start the attack? You know what? I think it thought I reached it from here. Ah, I know what we're gonna have to do. Weird. It probably did it because it was after the smoke. Okay. That was a weird glitch. Okay. Please take this. It will help. We need to put NPC on him. Okay. Can I throw the potion now? Come on, let me do it. Woo! We can do it! We got a new potion, guys. Heck yeah. Woohoo! Okay. Now let's make sure. So now we should get 5 more if I talk to him again. Yay, it worked. But we should also give him the notification. That's what we were going to do. Okay, we leave. Can we go back up the stairs? Perfect. Look at that. Let's see if same thing happens. That's what we want. Yeah, look at that. We got it working. I wish it was being seen. The music is not looping. Oh no. Why isn't it not looping? I don't think I exported the looping music. What song was this? Let's figure that out. I think I moved the song, because I always move the songs because it has a weird naming convention. Didn't I have a sounds folder? Music tracks. Capital. Capital curse? Did I not do that? No. Oh, it's not on looping? That's ridiculous. This is gonna crash it again. No, it didn't. What do you know? Okay, cool. So that worked. Nice. Okay, looks good there. All right, let's see. What we gotta do now? Okay, I wanted to give it a notification every time we talk back to him. That's okay. We had another issue. Oh, there was like a weird... So I can reach him from here somehow. And we gotta make him NPC. That's what we gotta do. Okay, so we need to go to him again. We need to make his original box NPC. So that'll prevent me from attacking him. On top of that... No, it's okay if we do that. I was like, if we did that, I was thinking it was gonna just get hurt. It doesn't matter though. Okay, we'll do that, and then we're gonna go back in here. And then we're gonna go ahead. Let's see. We are going to... what are we gonna do? Yeah, flashing new item. That's what we need to do. So if we talk to him again on the third one at the end of it... I don't like that. Why did I just do that? Don't zoom out. Okay, cool. We'll do that. Cool. Okay. Because I think we did that when we first got the first potion. I'm pretty darn sure. Okay. So that'll fix that issue. That'll fix that issue. I don't understand the other issue, though. Where, like, maybe I'm hitting him, like, from here to here somehow? I don't think so. I don't think our character can go that far. I don't think so. We can try it again. Let's try it again. Alright. Holy guacamole. That's so not... No. That's because we didn't start this scene. We started the other area. Alright. Let's see. Let's recenter. Cool. Okay, why can I... I think what's happening is see, it's not playing the music. Why? Something happened. Oh, I know what happened. Okay. That doesn't make sense why that would do that, but I don't know. Weird. Haha, I got a little close. Okay. That's supposed to happen. Good, good, good. Good. Okay. Okay. Cool. That works now. Perfect. Let's double make sure that still works. Because I think there's just a collision error. Okay, it's kind of working. There's just a weird starting glitch that doesn't work correctly. And I think it's because we have overlapping area bodies. Well, that still doesn't make sense. Because it's like, I think we're hitting this one. And it's thinking we're number 2. Because when it hits number 1, it initially starts certain things. If that makes sense. But I think because... I think it's getting overlapping because if we go back to the guy, we have stages and we're always starting on stage 1. But I think what's happening is if we go into the actual dude again, we have all these 2 area bodies. And I think what's happening is it's initiating this when we hit it sometimes. No, I don't think that's happening. Very strange. Because it's not doing this, it's skipping it somehow. Weird. It should automatically play it. So my guess is... I don't know. Unless we're just not telling it to do it in the first place. I don't know. It's kind of difficult. So maybe change song is somewhere not. Because that doesn't make sense why it's not initiating. It should initiate correctly. Capital song, cutscene song. Okay, cutscene song, cutscene, capital, cutscene. So something is initiating it, and it's not the starting one. Start body enter. Is there 2 start body enters? There's this one, number 2. No, there's just 1, except, no, that doesn't make sense. Okay. What is the problem? I don't understand. Oh man. Because it's still doing it. It's just like skipping it somehow. This should be turned off on start. Okay. I think we're going to do the debug way. Let's just make it visible. It's going to look ugly, but it's okay. Okay. So. That time it worked. Oh, you know what it is? It's not going fast enough. Ah. Okay, so I remember the issue. I think it's waiting for that smoke thing to go away, so sometimes it's initiating twice. So if I go to, I think, you gotta be really careful with awaits. Awaits will basically cause things to delay, which can ultimately make things like not happen that you want. So preferably you don't want to use any awaits. You want to use like triggers and other timers, but awaits can cause a lot of issues, just like the one we're dealing with right now. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, where's the await? That's the problem. Ready. No. I think it's in stage 2. Yeah. Stage 2 happens, all this stuff happens. On close is when it happens, so if we go to finish interaction 2, if it takes me there, yeah, we're doing all this await stuff, and this is causing... No, we don't really care about the end of it. We care about... Well, the end of it's fine. I think it's the first one, actually. Yeah, because I think... Yeah, we need to disable this before. Because it doesn't matter. Like, it's not... We're not, like, interacting with it. So, I think this will fix our issue. Okay, let's try it again. I also don't want them to be able to get hit unless we are done with the cutscene. I feel like we're gonna need a special one for that. Cool. That fixes that. Thank you, my life is yours now. I am the last guardian. Cool. I think we're looking good. Okay. Again, I think the only issue now is they're getting hit before we start the battle. Huh. Which, I don't know how we could fix that. Like, we would have to go into them and turn off their hitboxes, basically. Which we could do. I just don't want to do that. Because it's a little annoying. Okay, how we doing? Like, it's okay. I guess I can't hit them this way. Can I hit them this way? Do I want to fix that? Not really. Look, see, why does that... That doesn't make any sense. It just did it. Okay, hold on. How... Is this not the one? Hold on. Which one is this bar? Oh, that's the main one. That's weird. Why is that one not doing it? Okay, huh. Okay. Why is it being delayed? Well, why is it... That's so weird. Weird. Very strange. I want to finish my tea. Okay. No. See, that time it worked. Why if I go over there, it doesn't work? Way. Huh. Okay. Huh. No. Okay. Yeah, I can hit them. That needs to be way thicker. That's happening. Why is that happening? You there. Help me rid of all these pests. How is that happening? Look, it's like not initiated. It's going straight. I don't know. It's like... I'm too weak to finish them. What? I don't get it. Because that's the one that should be being turned off. Is it? Huh. Why is it doing that? Is it only on the left side? I'm getting tired. I think it's only on the left side. Is it already? Oof. Started late. Okay. That's happening. Okay. Huh. You know what? I wonder what it's... I bet it's like... I know what's going on. We go back over here. It's still counting this as one of them, and that's the problem. This shouldn't be doing it, because it doesn't equal that. That's what's not making any sense. Is this is counting as an interact one. So... it's counting this one. Ah, that's why. Because we never said, hey, only do this if it's 3. So that's why. I knew it was something small. If current stage equals 3. Okay, that fixes that. Cool. Other issue is these guys are way too close. So we keep this here, but we force the evil guys to be farther away, which I think is this. And then the infectees. Cool. I even think we should add like 2 more, because I think 4 is too easy. I think if we add like 2 more here and here, we'll be in a good place. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. See if that fixes it. I think that'll fix it. Okay. Perfect. Nice. What's up, Silent? How you doing? I don't know what is going on, but nobody said anything in like an hour. What's going on, Silent? Man, you joined right when I was about to close. But we made a cool boss battle. I don't know if you've seen it, but here, look at it. I'll show it to you. We just fixed pretty much everything for it. We shall keep the chat alive some way or another. Yeah, I don't know what happened though. Apparently it says there's 16 people in here and no one said a word in the past hour. It's very, very quiet. But check out this new boss battle we made. It's pretty cool. Let me just shrink it up so I can show you what we got. Oh, actually, hold on. Let me turn off all these collisions. It looks weird. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah, I don't know what has happened. 16 people and nobody said anything. That's crazy. I think it's lying to me though. I think it's like incorrectly telling me who's on here. Alright. Silent though, check this out. We got a new boss. Kind of. We got like a rescue guy, technically. Okay. There we go. You there, help me rid of all these pests. I'm too weak to finish them off. Please hurry. The beast of a man seems like no harm to ourselves. His magic resembles of your own, Luciano. Nice. Alright, so we save them. I think I need to make these guys like way harder though. They seem like way too easy. I can just spam. And then there you go. Thank you, my life is yours now. I am the last guardian. You share the blood of my ancestors. You are the last of your kind, Giant's race. Please take this. It will help open the temple's path. There you can cure this nasty corruption of our lands. And there you go. Yeah. And then you get this new cool potion. Nice cool little green potion. Woo! Heck yeah. Nice. Little green flames. I love it. We are looking good. Do do do. Do do do. And if you talk to him again, you can get some more. Heck yeah. To be honest, this really doesn't do anything. Nice. Cool. Okay. I think we're looking good though, guys. I like it. I don't like that glitch. I gotta fix that eventually. Like, I think the only way we can fix that glitch from not, like, doing that, I think, is if we do something like we, like, get rid of it at the end. I don't know. We could, like, get rid of it technically somewhere. Add a plot twist at the end where he is secretly an enemy, but it requires some oddly specific thing, like you can only fight him on July 6th at 3 p.m. on a solar eclipse right after a tornado hits New York. Oh my goodness. That'd be horrible. I do want to make like a crazy game eventually. I was thinking about that yesterday. Like, I was thinking about making a game where you are horses and you wear pants, and like you have to wear the pants one of two ways, and that's on all four legs or only the back legs. But once the horses put on the legs, then they gain like intelligence to fight back. And then just adding like a bunch of, I just want to make like a crazy open world game with like just a bunch of nonsense. Like just a nonsense game. I think that'd be hilarious. I even thought about doing one because I saw somebody else do one where they were asking commenters, like the top comment of like every short or whatever they were doing. They would just get like an idea and they would just keep adding it, and I was like, that's so funny. That'd be hilarious. That'd be awesome. So like deer. Yeah, we could do deer. And just kind of any four-legged animal could get like, you know, like pants on, and then they just like start having an FPS style game. Yeah, like Vampire Survivor, but I really want it to be like extremely realistic. I need a name for it, guys. I need a name for this horse pants wearing game. Yeah, I'm excited though. All right, well, this looks good. I think we're good here. I think the only thing we're going to need to do is we're going to have to adjust the enemies eventually. Add a raccoon, but give it weak stats, and people have to have like shotguns and try to hunt you down as a hard mode. Yeah, like the animals slowly get smaller. I just can imagine like making the sprite for a horse wearing pants that's like using a rifle and running around. I think that would be hilarious. Man, Silent, you should have been here, man. We were hanging out for like 2 hours. I shouldn't be on too much later though. I gotta edit more of the new course coming out. I'll post it on the Discord. You guys should all join the Discord so you can see all the new stuff coming out, like the game that's got to be done. I got a new course coming out probably tomorrow/Friday. But yeah, that is true. I'm gonna do a lot for 3D testing, so it'd be kind of funny to make a really funny game. I am gonna host a game jam, I think. The guy who wrote the book for this game He's coming out with a short story complex. So like it's a bunch of different short stories in a book. And basically I want to do like a game jam week or 2 weeks. I don't know, probably a week. I'll probably like a week or two. And basically like everybody who does the game jam is going to make a game jam, like a game about one of the short stories. So he has like, I think he has like 12 short stories in the entire book. So everybody is gonna like pick one and make a game out of it. And they're mostly like horror games. So like if you really like horror games, then you should get in on it. I'm probably gonna have a cash prize too. So that'd be kind of fun. It's not gonna be like a lot. I don't really think it's gonna get super popular, but I think it'll be fun. But you know, I'm excited to do 3D. I'm gonna make a couple. I'm gonna make this game 2D, of course, and I have 2 more 2D courses, and then I'm gonna go ahead and actually make probably a bunch of 3D stuff after that. Make it mid-August. That's when I'm available most, since my vacay is to start in August. That's probably when it will be, actually, in mid-August. I'll probably put some dates out for people to vote on in the Discord channel. But it's going to be like 2 weeks. I guess I could stretch it to like a month. My only thing is I don't want to spend too much time on it because like I feel like I want it to be a bunch of small games, you know? But I'm excited. It'll be the first like Red Fool Studio game jam. So, and I'm going to try to do one like every couple months. Probably like one every 6 months. And it's going to be like a short one. But I'm excited. I think it'll be cool. And then, you know me, I have like this whole channel. So I'll probably like do a playthrough of like the top 10 games. And then shout out whoever gets like top 3 or something. I'm excited though. Yeah. But no, this is looking good though. I don't know. The only thing is there's a couple bugs. Well, they're not like, well, they are literal bugs. Ha ha ha. But like, but yeah, I don't know. I think we should probably, I don't know. We could either add more. I think we should add more. That'd be kind of funny. True. Probably Kenny assets, I would say. Probably Kenny assets. That's like what I use for like almost all of my courses. Just Kenny's free assets, so everybody can do that. That's a smart idea. I didn't think about that. So we'll do like 2-week period, and then we'll do like Kenny assets. We could probably do it like mid-July-ish. That'd be kind of cool. Or no, sorry, mid-August, like you said. Because I'll be done with this game probably maybe this week, I think. No, I was thinking like 2 weeks. I guess we could do a month. Because if we do a month, then we'll probably get more people to join, to be fair. Maybe we'll do a month. I think a month would be probably the most fair. Because that gives people like about 2 weeks to like experiment, and then like 2 weeks to actually make the thing or whatever. Yeah, but I'm excited. I think it'll be fun. I think we should have 4 though. We'll add 4 in here. Where is that though? Can I fit another one in here? Yes, I can. Look at that. I could make a thing making stuff in your DC server for like guidelines, theme max. Yeah, I'll probably ask your help for that once we get to that. Right now, though, I want to get done this game in the next week or 2, and then I want to get done my course I'm about to publish. You'll see, I'm going to post it. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited. I made the entire intermediate course again, so I'm excited to do that. But yeah. I love the Discord that you helped me set up in the first place. It's so nice. It's actually growing too, I feel like now, because I think I got back into the streaming. I'm going to try to stream like 3 times a week. I'm also going to try to make a lot of clips. I've been bookmarking like funny moments and stuff throughout the stream, so hopefully I'll like start posting. I want to get like at least 4 clips every time I stream. So once I start doing that, then I'll start posting and hopefully building everything a little bit more. Alright, I will join it since my account on Discord got hacked or left for some reason. I don't know why. Uh-oh, so should I ban that account? So it doesn't mess with me? That's not good. That's not good. Alright, we're gonna add 3. Problem is, I added too many. Hold on. 6 and 5. We need to get rid of those guys also. Oh, sweet, you got it back. Perfect. Yeah, I've been wondering where you were, because it started to get pretty active in there. And you were kind of like the main man for a while, so I don't know what happened. Five. Sweet. I wonder if we have... How did we know if these were gone? Interesting. That's wild. That's no good. You can't get hacked. Come on, man. I think this is the one I was looking for. Yep. You got it. This is so funny it did it like this. I can't wait for next school year since I will be in middle school. Nice. Get through school, man. 5, 6. 5, 6. Okay, what are we doing now? Why is it giving me... Oh, it's because we're not using those. Okay, so we need to add 2 more for these. 5, 6. Okay. 5, 6. Technical high school, cost closed, so there's only 2 schools. Schedule will be complicated. That's tough. Gotta get through it though. Dang, if you're making games that young though, that's kind of awesome. You're gonna probably be like way ahead of everybody. I wish I was making games. I didn't start making like full games until like, I don't know, like high school age, I think. But you'll be really ahead. Game making is like the funnest type of programming. I love game making so much. It's like basically you get to have like the whole thing. You can do like your art in it, you can do the functional, and you're not like limited by physics. Like you can actually like create your own gravity, and that's like the only type of design I think that you can do that with. So it's like you can literally just make anything. You can just think of anything and then there you go. You got it. The death sentence. Oh no. Gotta be careful. What are we doing now? We're gonna test this and make sure it works. But then we're probably gonna close out. I'm getting tired. It's late for me. Let's see. Is it gonna turn on? Oh no. That's not good. I think I have 2 Godot's open right now. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that later. My cat. What is he doing? There's so many. Holy cat. Okay, I think I added like way too many. What is happening? Cool. I think it still works. 2 more years, you got this. You're so close. Nice. Look at that. It worked. Only issue though, there's still 2 open. That is really concerning. Oof. Which one have I been working on though? Oh no. This might break everything, I think. This is not good. There's 2 Godots open. I don't know why this one's here. This is not good. This is very bad. I think it's done this before. I'm really hoping this one goes away. What is happening? I think it's overwriting it. That's not good. Oh well. I hope I don't have to redo everything I did. That would be very bad. I don't know why this one was open. That's what I'm so confused about. Close the program. This is gonna be bad. I think it's okay. I don't know why that happened. My cat is like right behind me. Oh, I hope this still works. I have a feeling it's not gonna work. Let me double check. I don't think it's... I think we're gonna have a problem. Okay. No, it's still going. I'm hoping that the changes on this one stayed and the other one didn't. I don't remember like opening 2 of them up. That's very strange. Oh well. I think it's working now. Anyway, I am going to call it a night though, guys. Well, thank you guys for joining. I'm going to try again to probably stream tomorrow, I think. Probably around the same time. So East Coast, probably like 8 o'clock East Coast time. So you guys should join again. Please, please wishlist the game and join the Discord. Like and subscribe so I can keep doing this. But I will see you guys next time. Heck yeah. Alright. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.